welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kay's Kitchen. We're here, I try to give you the best recipes, quick and easy ones for your family and your friends.
I'm her friend, in case you didn't know. But she treats me like family.
Yes. So, and I'm a feeder, so
she is a feeder, and I'm an eater.
Yeah. Oh, we've got our cups of teas today, as you can see.
Oh,
I'll show you. Yeah.
We're gonna come closer because wait, where's my tea?
Don't spin it. So hers is garlic sharp tea,
and hers is milky,
and
too milky.
Mine is.
So I started drinking tea, and because she used to drink Yorkshire,
yeah.
I was like, well, let's start with the Yorkshire, and it is good.
What's the big deal with this Yorkshire business? I was like, you got to try it to know what I'm talking about.
It's true. My mum has drunk PG tips.
Yeah, she's
drunk Tetley. She's gonna bleep that out. So I'm not. My mum used to drink PG tips and Tetley, and it was awful. I used to like dip my biscuits in it, and that was it. And then obviously I tried the Yorkshire, and I was like,
so Yorkshire Tea Bag Company.
It's true. She converted me. She has converted me.
If you've got people following you now, the extra 1,000. Me. So today's recipe will be creamy chicken square pastries. These again are something that you can make and freeze. You can use at the time of Ramadan, where obviously we are all exhausted, and the last thing we want to do is start making and baking stuff in the kitchen. Some little help will be great. Something different rather than a triangle or a circle of a spring roll or something. This is like a square type. So again, you could give it to kids, pack it up in the. So here guys are all the ingredients that you will need to make your creamy chicken square pastry. I have already boiled the chicken before for 15 minutes and added a teaspoon of cumin and a bit of salt. Once you drain that, you put it in the bowl and we'll fry that later. Here I've measured out half a cup of cabbage that I've cut, and then 1/4 cup of peppers. You can use just green peppers or mixed if you like. And then you've got half a cup here of thick cream. You've got mayonnaise here, chili sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, white pepper, salt, black pepper, and some oil here. And here are some pastries, samosa pastries, as you can see. We'll be using these ones only. And here are the cups that I have used to measure these ingredients here. So now I will show you how to make your creamy square chicken pastry. So put the flame on and pan on there. Now add the oil. Now we'll add chicken. So now it's been frying for 5 minutes. And you can add garlic powder, some salt, soy sauce, chili powder, and that mix. So this is now cooked, so we're going to turn the heat off and then put it back into the bowl. So now the chicken is in the bowl, and now we will add some peppers and add the cabbage as well. Give that a mix. So now that's all mixed in the bowl, we're going to add some mayonnaise. That's the mayonnaise mixed in there, and now we will add the cream. I'm gonna add the white pepper. Just get this and give it a good mix. So as you can see guys, all the cream, everything is mixed in. This is how it looks. Okay, so we're going to set that to the side now and do the puff pastry. So here I've added 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and here you've got water, and obviously when you pour the water in here you just give it a mix with a spoon, and this will be your pastry paste for the pastry. That is the pastry now made. See? Okay. That's all you really need. So here we've got the things that we need. And first what we're going to do is take a pastry like this. Okay, just place that in the middle. And that. So now we will get a mixture, like a teaspoon of it, like that, in the middle. Now guys, this is how it will look. see. That's your mixture in there. Make sure that the edges, just peel them down, or you can always pop with this and just flip it down if you like. Make it as tight as possible. So there, just wrap it together like that. Okay. The pan with some oil in there, and we've got our fire on quite high, so we're going to leave this, and the pockets that I have made, all these will go into the fire just for a few minutes each side, that they are golden and they are not burning, so make sure that the heat is not too hot, and then we flip it over, cook again for a few more minutes, and then it will be sorted for you. The oil is quite hot now, and what I will do is place this in here. I'm quite happy with it, so what I'm going to do is just put it down. You can see how that looks. And that is a bit more. That's done. Here it is, guys, nice chicken creamy upsets. How lovely do they look? Absolutely tasty. If you have a look at these, sides are nicely glued together. There's nothing rabbits in this. So tasty. You can put these in the lunchbox. You can have them for Ramadan, and if you want to freeze these, what you could do is once you've actually made these, you can pack them up and put them into the thingamabobber. So this is the inside of it, guys, as you can see. It's lovely and creamy. It's really absolutely tasty. Really.
Oh, I taste the kick. So it's like
It
a
comes
real
in
sort
little
of
bit later.
yeah.
Feel the cream.
Yeah. So you had the creamy
Flavors
cheesy
kick in slowly.
bit come in, and then like once you finish the first bite, that's when you would taste like the hint of chili, and it's not so like strong that people couldn't cope with it. It's it's subtle. I'll ask you.
Go on then.
So guys, we have now eaten the food. We hope you enjoyed watching us eat slightly, because they didn't really see us because we ate off camera.
Yeah, we did. We just had to
this time we'll
not
just
be ladylike about it.
So, but we hope you enjoyed it. We will be back with more videos, more vlogs, more food. I love to eat, but yeah, I'm excited.
So I hope you guys did enjoy what I have made in the kitchen today. I hope it was easy and oh gosh, this is just not happening. This happens to me all the time at the end.
I think you need a script.
Click the like button, definitely subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, that will always give you a notification of when I upload my videos. Inshallah guys, I'll see you next time with my buddy Samira.
Yeah. Wait, were you calling me your buddy or your buddy? Because I'm younger than you.
Both.
Okay, first.
And inshallah we will see you soon.